Hey guys, welcome to the show today. Excited you're with me. I hope you're having a great one. As we are always on this channel, it's more of a community than a channel, so would love to hear from you in the comments about what you'd like to see and things that we would do here on the channel. As you know, we bring videos almost every single day and just having some fun. So today we are talking about the iPhone 12 Max. You can see I got it on the Quilla back here, and I got to tell you, this thing is gigantic. I mean, it's gigantic. Look at it compared to the iPhone 11. So I ended up getting it, and the reason that I got it, and again, for use case discussion, that's why we're here, is because of the cameras, okay? I actually like this phone a little bit better for the size. In fact, if I go to stick it in my pocket here, let me put my recorder down. You know, this fits in here really good, just fits pretty good. This thing is like a Tonka truck. See how big that thing is? It fits, but half of it's sticking out. So it's a little bit big as a daily carry, but as they say, you know, the best camera you have is a camera that you have with you. And I've invested in these Sonys. I'm shooting on the Sony a7 III, which is a great camera with a GM 16 by 35 millimeter lens. It's a great camera, as you can tell. The image quality is awesome. But what I want to do now is I'm going to take this phone, take it over there, stick it on the other tripod, and we're going to get a dual look at this. You'll be able to see a little bit more of the studio, but I want to see kind of what the video quality is, and let's compare it, because that's why I got it. And I got to tell you, this thing's cameras on it are amazing, even if it is kind of big. It's bigger than the RX. Look at this RX 100V camera. This pocket camera, this thing's huge compared to it, right? So it's a big phone. Anxious to hear from you. You know, would you like this form factor? I mean, is there a reason to get this big thing? It's almost like a little iPad. I mean, to be honest with you, I think I'm going to enjoy it with my eyes getting older, but man, it's huge. But let's go ahead and check out the video. So I'm just going to put on standard video. I'm going to use the back camera, and I'm going to go ahead and shoot video at the same time using this camera and that camera, and we can kind of take a look at it with a professional camera versus like just the regular phone in the same studio setting. Okay, I got the Sony camera on the right. So this one that you're watching right now is the Sony a7 III, all on auto. So I'm not changing aperture, speed, or ISO, just letting it go. On this side, I've got the iPhone camera, and it's running on auto. Auto. It's not a car, it's not idling, it's on auto. So what is the difference? Is there some depth, is some different kind of things? Again, they're just on auto, just recording. This is the back camera of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the back side of it. So I kind of want to see, you know, what does it look like in the clarity? I can't see it because I have it faced backwards. So when I hold up a camera, you know, what does it look like? I know this is gonna, let's see if we can find focus there. That focus is in, that focus is out. Let's try it here. I don't know if it's focusing. I have no idea what it's doing because I can't see it, but we're giving it a shot anyways. Okay, so it's interesting camera. It is huge. Just looking at it from this perspective, that camera, I mean, it is as big as the Sony a7C, which is a full frame camera that Sony just came out with that I use for B-roll. That's an excellent camera. The iPhone is as big as that. I think the most shocking thing for me is the size. I mean, it is just gigantic. Here's the box. It is a big, big phone. Am I going to enjoy it? Yeah, I think I'm going to love it. I love the screen size. I do put a glass screen protector on it. That'll be here later today. I do use the case, the MagSafe case, but it is an interesting device. Okay, so there's a little video comparison so we could check it out. Okay, one more test. This is the forward-facing camera. So now I'm looking at it. I can see it, so we can see if the focus and the clarity of it. Again, on one side I have the Sony, on the other side I have the camera, and you can kind of see the difference in quality. Now they've been saying, and you can kind of see it right here or here. That's the camera. See? So you can kind of see I've got it right next to the camera. But what they've been saying is this forward-facing camera is actually supposed to be a little bit better now. So you can kind of see professional camera versus the iPhone. What do you think? I think you can get by with it. I think you can build a YouTube channel with this phone. Pretty cool. Expensive, but pretty cool. All right, let's wrap this up and talk a little bit about the case and bring it home. So a couple video comparisons there, and man, this is a big camera. I mean a big phone. There's my Sony A7C, and there is the iPhone, and then here is the iPhone 11 versus the new iPhone 12 Max. I will tell you, I did get the case, the clear case. I got the blue, which I like, with the MagSafe ring on it. I couldn't get the MagSafe ring to work. I ordered a new charger head. It didn't come with in the box or in the MagSafe kit, did not come with the plug-in adapter, the USB-C adapter. So I had to order one because I couldn't get any of mine to work. We'll see. Maybe it's just my phone, but that's a fast charge. So I've got that connects to the back. I didn't bring it in here, but at the end of the day, it's a big phone. The thing I got it for is the cameras. It doesn't fit in the pocket that well. It's kind of, you almost got to use two hands on it because of the size. But I think if you like that form factor of a big phone, you can't go wrong with this. I mean, it's fast as heck. I mean, it's really crazy. I love the new iOS on it for productivity. And again, you can go watch a million videos on different specs on it. Really, for my use case, can it do B-roll? Can I take it with me? And is it a camera that I'll have that I need to shoot something here for YouTube? That's really what I was looking for. This form factor, yes, I do like it a little bit better. I do like the smaller phone, but I think I'll get used to this. I just gotta, it's just big. I mean, it is big. If you like big things, this is a big phone. So that's what it is. All right, well, go have a great day. As always, thanks for watching. If you don't mind hitting the subscribe button, that helps us get the message out. We're a community, so if you don't mind really putting some comments in, that would be great. And I'll keep bringing you more videos here on the channel. But today, iPhone 12 Max is in the house with the blue. The blue's kind of cool, right? It's a cool looking phone. Big thing. Going to be used here on the channel. So let's see how the video works and give me your thoughts. What video did you like, the professional camera or the iPhone 12 Pro Max? All right, thanks so much for watching. Go have a great day.